Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Can I pay rent with Wealthsimple? Now, before we dive into the answer, let's take a quick look at what Wealthsimple is and why it's become so popular. Wealthsimple is a financial technology company that offers a range of investment and banking services. They're known for their user-friendly platform and low fees, making them a great choice for people who are new to investing or just looking for a simple way to manage their money. So, back to the question at hand, can you pay rent with Wealthsimple? The answer is yes, but there are a few different ways to do it. Method 1. Wealthsimple Cash. Wealthsimple Cash is a free mobile app that allows you to send and receive money instantly. You can also use it to pay bills, including rent. To do this, you'll need to add your landlord as a payee and then set up a recurring payment. Method 2. Wealthsimple Card. Wealthsimple also offers a debit card that you can use to make purchases, including rent. This is a great option if you don't want to have to transfer money between accounts. Method 3. Wealthsimple Invest. While Wealthsimple Invest is primarily an investment platform, you can also use it to pay rent. This is because you can link your bank account to your Wealthsimple Invest account and then set up a recurring transfer to your landlord. Pros and cons. Each of these methods has its own pros and cons. Wealthsimple Cash is a great option if you want a simple and easy way to pay rent. However, it may not be the best choice if you need to make large payments or if you want to track your expenses in more detail. Wealthsimple Card is a good option if you want a more traditional way to pay rent. However, you'll need to make sure that your landlord accepts credit or debit card payments. Wealthsimple Invest is a good option if you want to invest your money while also paying rent. However, it's important to note that there are fees associated with using Wealthsimple Invest. So, can you pay rent with Wealthsimple? Yes, you can. There are a few different ways to do it, each with its own pros and cons. The best method for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.